Alam mo kung bakit sumisigaw yung demonyo? Kasi malayo siya sa'yo. So, kailangan niyang sumigaw. Kaya yung insecurity, sumisigaw yun from afar. Kasi kailangan niyang makaget to you eh. Tapos, marirealize mo, bakit yung boses ni God? It's the still small voice na bumubulo. Alam mo kung bakit siya bumubulo? Kasi katabi mo lang siya. For you to know that it is God speaking to you, you will know it when it's a voice that gives you comfort. When it's a voice that gives you assurance. When it's a voice that when it talks, it gives you peace. But when it's a voice that teaches you to be destructive, destroy something, hurt someone, hindi niya boses yun. Kasi yung still small voice na yun, it's always going to lead you to the right path.
Yes.